Dude, that's legitimately the most amount of fucking... all of Kyle's magazines, dude.
It's gonna get so hot, dude.
See. Dude, why are you doing that so so quickly? You're like a fucking homeless guy.
Dude, I've done this in the past, man. You gotta survive somehow, dude.
See. You see this shit, Mike? Fucking tearing through these quickly. You're gonna light the fucking house on fire. Ooh. Dude, if that shit comes out of there, I'm fucking running, man. No,
I'll
shit.
put you in, dude. Put you inside there.
Fuck you. Dude, that smells so good. You fucking idiot. Oh my god. Look at Mike, he's running. He already knows you're gonna burn the house down.
Oh, he's gonna be so pissed that she just cleaned the fireplace.
Are you serious?
Yeah.
Bro, that's so cool. Oh shit. Dude, you could fucking